Founded in 1914, the Risk Management Association, or RMA, is a not-for-profit, member-driven professional association whose sole purpose is to advance the use of sound risk principles in the financial services industry. RMA's education and training programs are designed for lending and risk management professionals at every stage of their careers. And to meet the growing need for online training, RMA has developed online training solutions, otherwise known as RMA University Online, to complement existing classroom and self-study training materials. For the commercial real estate curriculum, RMA combined proven content from several established courses with new material developed by knowledgeable subject matter experts. The source material included reading assignments, practice exercises, and case study documents. The online CRE curriculum contains 14 courses, accompanied by 39 case study documents, 57 printable job aids, and a tutorial that shows learners how to get the most out of their CRE training experience. Each of the 14 online CRE courses is organized into sections called modules. Every module begins in the manager's office, where a manager introduces the course objectives.
Caroline is ready to get started in the training room. When you're done with the training session, I'll meet you in your office to give you your assignment.
After visiting the manager's office, learners proceed to the training room, where a trainer presents the content, the most important information that learners need to know about each topic. In this example, taken from the Collateral Valuation Considerations course, the trainer walks the learners through the process of calculating present value for year 5 for a shopping center.
Multiply $517,000 by the PV factor, 0.6209, to get the PV of cash flow, which is $321,000. The final step is calculating the cumulative PV of cash flow. Add $321,000 to $1,732,000 to get $2,053,000. When you use this method on your projects, you will need to complete the same process for each year. Now let's move on to calculate the final DCF value.
The third and final part of each module is called My Office. My Office is where learners have a chance to apply what they learned in the training room. In this particular My Office activity, learners are asked to calculate the final discounted cash flow value using information from a case study document. First, learners enter their answers in the data entry fields to calculate the final discounted cash flow value. Then they click Calculate to see the correct answers.
In this activity, you will calculate the final DCF value for the apartment building example. You can access the updated apartment building example, revenue and expenses document, which includes the values for year 5 and 6, by clicking the notepad icon. First, enter the NOI from year 6. No, try again. Now calculate the reversion value by dividing year 6 NOI by 9%. Next, subtract the disposition cost from the reversion value to get the reversion cash flow. Now, multiply the reversion cash flow by the discount factor to get the reversion cash flow PV. The discount factor has been calculated to be 0.5935. Enter the value of the cumulative total of PV cash flow up through year 5. Finally, add the reversion cash flow present value to the present value annual cash flow to get the DCF value. No, try again. That's not correct. Click the Show Correct button to see the correct answer and move on. Great! Now you can use the property value as you evaluate the loan.
Many of the My Office exercises build on one another. In this exercise, learners use the discounted cash flow value they calculated on the previous page to analyze the results. Learners enter their response in each field and can compare their answer to an expert answer. The learner's answers to each of the My Office exercises are saved and can be printed out at the end of the course.
If a direct capitalization method were used to arrive at the valuation for this property, based on the 9% cap rate, what would the valuation have been?
Each CRE course delivers complex technical and conceptual information in a format that is easy for learners to access and comprehend. In as little as 22 hours, learners can complete the 14-course curriculum and acquire the analytical skills they need to make sound lending decisions. And the online curriculum makes it easy for RMA's member institutions to track learner participation, progress, and performance, and to clearly see the positive impact that the training has on their organization.